Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back again my YouTube channel. How are you friends? Hope you will be fine. You will see the stylish and most beautiful, latest and amazing fancy nails art ideas for my channel. So please guys subscribe my channels and press the bell icon. And press the bell icon, you will get notifications of all my videos, most fashionable, surprising nails art ideas, inspire different styles and different nail designs. Best short pink nails, short nails, long nails, and cutest fall nail designs ideas, winter nails art ideas, beautiful rose gold nail design, trendy bridal nail designs ideas, latest trendy art nail designs ideas on my channel. How much beautiful and stylish, rich and transformed and new amazing nail designs ideas on my channel. You will see the stylish and find latest and amazing collections and new nail designs ideas on my channel.
Charging.
You will see the stylish and amazing new different nail designs ideas. Long nails and different nail designs and short nail designs ideas for my channel. All nails by professional, attractive new fancy nail designs and different new nail designs ideas for my channel. Adorable and amazing, all nails very beautiful and useful different nail designs ideas for my channel. How much beautiful and stylish nail designs ideas. All in my favorites and attractive long nail designs and short nail designs ideas for my channel. More than hundreds of nail designs ideas, new nail designs and all in my favorites and attractive fancy nail designs. All in my favorites and attractive new different styles and different new nail designs ideas. How much beautiful and stylish analytic nails and fancy sequence work nail designs ideas on my channel. More than hundreds of nail designs ideas, all is very beautiful and useful fancy nail designs. How else do you do how designs latest and outstanding different colors and different new nail designs ideas for my channel?